Alright, the question is, should we buy marijuana stocks, and which one should we buy? So, looking at it, it is a possibility it could just be doing something weird along with that. The pattern ended up changing. So, that's weird. To me, it is at an okay zone, so for me, I have no problem holding all my shares. For you, you can look at the news events that's been going on with Tilray, but at the same time, it seems like it's curving more, and at the same time, the structure is kind of showing that it may potentially have room to just bounce and from here on out. So I have no problem holding on to it, but ultimately it is up to you whether you decide this is a good opportunity for you based on the information you already know about Tilray and the company as a whole. You can look into all its financials on investing.com, and this is some of the information that you would actually find about the company. So pretty much you'll find that they're actually negative in their return at the moment, but that doesn't mean that they're not going to have any success. A lot of companies start out with a negative return. Sometimes it takes a few years, but at the same time, it is an investment. The company is not filing bankruptcy, and at the same time, they have been seeing some increase in revenues, as you can tell, but at the same time, yes, there are some losses. Setbacks happen. But with the companies being so new, there's still room for a lot of these companies to continue growing. So we're going to go to the next one, looking at it on the technical side of things. My end, I'm still holding all my shares personally. So your thoughts on, go ahead and let me know your thoughts on Tilray. Feel free to comment below. Let me know what you think. And then we're going to do to me, right now, it seems like it could just go lower. But at the same time, it can turn around. It's hard to say where it's going at this point. Just by looking at a chart. Because at the same time it can rise, it can also drop further down. We could call it the ideal zone before, but not anymore. Because because it's breaking structure. So my view is I'm going to hold my shares still because I'm comfortable with it. But I see no reason to buy any more shares at the moment. And looking at Afria, everything says the same. I'm still saying that it can go lower. So I wouldn't buy any more shares. Just looking at it at the moment. In Aurora, it is very low. That's actually pretty deadly. But at the same time, there's a gap. I've been hearing things on the side about the company that they haven't been doing too well. I still need to look at that information, so we might as well take a peek right real quick. Since that. Alright, so basically what I'm getting is Aurora hasn't been on its game. Even one of the CEOs decided to kind of drop out. So it's smart to kind of leave it alone at the moment until some good news actually presents itself. So as far as Aurora, straight pass. Canopy growth. It still hasn't hit the target area, so it's a wait. And if you have any questions regarding marijuana stocks, feel free to comment below. What are your thoughts? What do you think of the direction of these markets? Or any news? Do you have any advice you want to give? Feel free to put it out there. This is a good community. But if you thought this video was pretty helpful, feel free to like and subscribe.